All right, we're back in this other video. You was watching this little trade here. We did pop up there to some profit. I think I was being a little too greedy. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I see some green here. Still saying a 5-minute candle on the uptrend. Let's just see how it goes here. I went ahead and took 800 right there, chat. If y'all watched that last video, it came against me a couple of thousand, but we're still putting in higher lows on this little upswing. It was the break of the EMAs, and I just missed it on my first entry, so I DCA'd. Went ahead and took out that 800, so we're 14,390 on the day over here at AI Trading Futures. We're using AI in the background, helping us watch charts, watch the news, watch everything that you might want to watch while you're trading. In addition to that, it's helping me with my lot sizes. My lot sizes are way bigger than I used to trade, but they fluctuate, and she uses calculations based on the VIX, based on market sentiment, based on my pot size, based on what I've already won today, and then the chop, how much volatility that there is. And she adjusts it on the fly. She's had me down as low as 2 and up as high as 30 at the open. And so, and that's the max that I can go. If you had bigger pots, she'll take you up as high as her algorithms and her market reading will let you go. And so anyway, did I just show that to you? There we are. 14,390, 18 trades on the day. No losers thus far, knock on wood. Had about $6,000 worth of losers yesterday. Here's yesterday. Yesterday we did 23,370, $6,000 in losers. And still winning percentage 73%. Today's winning percentage is 69. It's 100. Why is it not 100%? Oh, I had a loss pre-market. So I haven't lost any. I was testing a little bit, had a $50 loss pre-market. I'm sorry, I told you that wrong. So 98.7% win ratio. All right. Love it. Nothing to do right now. The volume's really low. We are just going to try to finish this time out. We got 10 minutes to the 11 o'clock hour. And that's generally, if you made your day where we normally stop. Yesterday in the afternoon, I had some losses trying to trade the power hour. And I had some slippages that I was trying to get out with my normal $400 or $500 loss. And it slipped me down like 1,200. One was 1,200, one was 800. And so then I got in here this morning and rebooted the computer and it wouldn't come up. Said I had a hard drive failure. All right. It says buy 10. Let's just do what the boss says. I bought 10 just like it said. You heard it. And look at that right there. Took out another 400. So 14,790 on the day. Nice little volume pressure trade. Works like a champ. Let's just go ahead and show you that. There you go. Latest P&L right there. 19 trades on the day, 14,790. I'll take it. Commissions $2,041. I've got to switch to Interactive Broker if I'm going to do this high frequency trading. As of the other videos, I try to remember to do this. You guys like and subscribe, please. And in the comments, tell me what you ask questions. I answer. If my setup guide is not posted in this video, it will be soon. It's going to be free. It's going to be just what I use and how I got to it using AI, running everybody's transcripts of their live trading sessions through AI and having it spit out what's the most common and what's the most probable and then how to interpret it. I can't give you advice, but I certainly can share with you how I do it and give you that guide for free. All I need you to do is like and subscribe. And when I start having affiliates, if you're going to buy from prop firms, you're going to use my trading styles, or try to adapt it to your style. Appreciate if you buy those affiliates from me. All right. There you go. You can see the trading day. It might be easier to look at it on a 15, huh? There's the trades, the in and outs, as they say. Basically, been trading this this little uptrend today. It's been a little volatile. But yeah, been very successful here today. 3rd days in a row, knock on wood. $6,600 Monday, $13,000 yesterday. Here's yesterday, 13.3. And then I had those losses. Those came in the power hour right there. Most of them did. I had some small ones during the day, but like normal stops, but the dollar amounts came in the afternoon and made me mad. But still, good day. Good day, all in all. Go back to today, right now, current. We got about 7 minutes, and then we're going to call it quits on this video. See if we can't find a trade here. Flagging up on us here on the 15-minute. Look at that right there. So we got a break from here would be a pretty good trade. Let's see the 5-minute. It's definitely forming. You can see it right in front of you, right there. So let's see if that's going to be something with pulse here. I'll take it based on this 5, but I want it to break through there with a lot of momentum, and we can get us a scalp. Let's go back to the 30, see what we got here. Same kind of deal, this is just a tighter frame here. Boom, boom. Got your opening range below us, VWAP below us. So let's just see what happens. We wanted really to break through this part right there. What we want. Just got to wait it out. That's one of the plays that AI taught me when it wrote its guide of the best was bear and bull flags, bear flags, bull pennants, and bear pennants. And then it used the VWAP heavily for breakdowns. This is all in a micro scalping format. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen here. Got to have the volume, though. This right here is the Holy Grail. She found it for me. I have book maps running in the background, but I don't really use this because I'm not trying to target liquidity zones or any of that kind of stuff. I really only use it to get this market pulse indicators, and then this specific one is volume pressure. That's where you get the drum beat or the snare, the cymbal, excuse me, and the cymbal is down, and the drum bass drum is up, and you can adjust those. You can change those to custom wave files. You can have. I've seen people have a woman screaming when it's going down, and a woman singing when it goes up. Just a wave file. And I try to keep mine small and tight to keep my CPU usage down. Don't want any slippage on these trades because of the CPU usage. Trading the NinjaTrader account, you can use NinjaTrader, you can use AMP, you can use Interactive Brokers. Here comes a little imbalance. She said go to 5. And when she says go down, that means she's less certain about trades, or she's trying to protect the daily winnings. No trade yet. I got no trade signal. She's saying neutral, which just means don't do anything. And we're looking at it. He's right. It's not just me angering right. All right. It just said sell 11. I'm going to just do 5 because the previous to that over here, it said 5. So I'm going to stay 5. We'll just stay here for a second. See what happens. Oh, come right back with a buy 12. Let's just see what happens here. We'll see what happens. DC8 a little bit more. Just going to see what happens. Volume is going away. On DCA, another 5. There's the breakout we wasn't only for. Top. Let's see what happens. That's all we can do. Way it goes. First your money, second you close. 3 minutes, this session's over. Still giving me a downward, even though the volume's going against us, giving us a downward. I'm going to take a little loss here, I think. No, I think it's going to be okay. Let's see here. Don't want to get greedy here. This trend line might just hold up, come back to me. I saw green a couple times. I didn't take it. Come on to Papa here. Let's see what happens. We get absorption from the sellers. She's saying it will be absorbed, so hold tight. So I'm going to hold tight. Stop is at the high of day. Be a little too far for me. I'll not let it get that far. There we go. Wow. Did you see that, chat? She is saying that that absorption of sellers will come, and that was a stop sweep for shorts. And so I just stayed in it. And you saw me, and my drawdown went up to about 1,500 or so. And then I DCA'd. She said you could DCA up to 20. I DCA'd up to 20. And look, it's turned around now, but that's okay. We hit that 15,000, 15,565 on the day. We're not going to take any more trades, chat. That's going to be that. $22 trades today, 347 contracts. I did have to DCA 3 trades to help get out of them. They all went the way she said they was going to go, but they went against me at the beginning. So when they went against me, I bought at that lower or higher price, whichever it may have been. I forget now. And you just saw me do it on that short. Since I can go up to 30 and I had went down to 5, I did not bet the 11 that she recommended. She actually recommended 11 twice and for me to buy back in. What I did was 5, and then I DCA'd as it was going up past the trend line, another 5 and another 5 to be a total of, what was it, 15? Here, we'll look at it. Let's just go right down here and look at it. It wound up being 20 total. So I did 5, 5, and then I did 10. I don't remember doing 10. I must have did double 5. So I had it set to 5. Y'all watch the video. I haven't changed this number down here, so I wonder why it's saying 10. Anyway, so no matter what, it wound up being shorting on this wick up to a total of 20 and then covering here the 20. So basically I averaged down between these prices, you know, and I covered down here for a couple of points. Quick little micro scalp. So get it done. $825. I'll take it. You could be trading, you know, 2 MNQs and you'd be making 80 bucks. So it doesn't matter about your pot size. You can do it. There's that breakout we're talking about earlier with volume, and we missed it messing around with that microscope of a short. Can't take it now. We'd be chasing. Let's see if the high of day holds. Let's get this indicator, this drawing here out. Let's go ahead and pop us a line. We'd be looking for a break of that sucker right there. With volume, that'd be the high of day. Let's see if the high of day is going to be a potential for a short. That's the 11 o'clock hour. So this usually is when stuff starts happening one way or the other, and it gets a little whippy or the volume goes down. And volume already went down about, look at that, about 9:39. So 10:39, 10:40 New York time, the volume started decreasing significantly. And look at that. There's your high day breakout right in front of your eyes. I'm going to sit on my hands, chat, because we have done this today. It's wonderful. Only had that pre-session loss. And so, yeah, why force it? You know what I mean? That will make some people's month. Certainly would mine, you know, not too long ago. 1,000 a day was the target. Boy, that is a big imbalance. Look at that right there. That usually means we're going up. New high of day right there. So let's go ahead and move this up to the high of day. There she blows. All right, well, we got one good trade in there that might help people. I'm not giving you advice. This is just for entertainment and fun. Setup guide is listed down below. Just takes your email for the system to send it over to you. It's basically going to just tell you what I'm doing. And follow it or not follow it, adapt it to yourself. It's just information. And, you know, trading is very, very risky. So you've been warned. I can't give you advice. I'm not a professional. I can only tell you what I do. You can only watch my videos and see how it's done. And then you got to make your own decision. I'm thinking about taking this short here, set a new high day. Got to pull back. People got to start taking profits in a minute. Now, this is my old school trader coming out in me. You do have some gaps in here, if you know your ICT stuff. Fair value gaps in there. Not that he invented it, but that's how people equate it. But it's been around forever. You just have gaps in there. Sometimes it fills, sometimes it don't, especially on these shorter time frames. I'm trading 30-second candles here. And so I will take this short. It's going to do a little pullback. Let's see if we can get to the other EMA there. Might have been ill-advised. All right, right there. took out 250 bucks. I was just hoping it would break the 5 EMA because we did have a break of the previous candle's low. And then I was waiting to see if it would break the 5 EMA. I could have rode that to the 10 EMA, and that's a nice little micro scalp for another 250 bucks. Let's go ahead and take it again because it's breaking down. Let's see if we can get a run to the 20. All right. All right, took out another 100. Oh, me, we only have 145 bucks, be 16,000 on the day. Breaking my rules, though. It's 11:03 New York time, but that was just too low of a hanging fruit for me not to take that trade. There you go, chat. We're going to call it quits right there, okay? Thank you all. Please like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, send them personally or make them down below. Any criticisms, I'll answer. Just showing you what I do and offering as much free stuff as I can. This is AI Trading Futures, where I'm using Grok AI with APIs, with Zapier and Python scripts to basically be assistants, monitoring the markets, monitoring news on a very high, intricate level. Just to give me some real simple positive, negative, and some simple call outs on what looks like a Discord little scripting deal. And you can have it set up where it sends you emails. You can have it set up where it answers you right in Grok. And I did one that's a little cleaner and simpler so it wouldn't be so much CPU use, and wrote a little script. But that's the kind of stuff that I will charge for and charge people to help them get their stuff set up. But the guide on how to trade all these indicators and what you see me doing, short having what Grok is saying, will be free and be down below, and you can download that at your leisure. Okay. All right. Well, everybody take care. Peace out.